How to delete playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can delete a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to delete a playlist on Spotify, you have to go ahead and simply launch the Spotify app. Once you launch the Spotify app, make sure that you're signed into your account. And after you're signed in, you want to come to your library section from the bottom of this menu options. Once you come to your library section, here you'll find all of the playlists which you've created yourself. And if you would like to delete a specific playlist, all you have to do is long press on it, and then here you'll open up the playlist. Tap on the three dots right next to the playlist. At the bottom you'll find the option called delete playlist. You can just tap on it in order to go ahead and delete the playlist, or else right from here you can just long press on it as I said and find the option called delete playlist. Tap on delete in order to delete that specific playlist on Spotify. And that is all it takes to delete your playlist on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.